Imali yesibonelelo sabantu abangasebenzi yasungulwa ngo-2020 emva kokubheduka kwe-COVID-19. Inhloso yayo kwabe kuwukutakula labo abalahlekelwe yinzuzo njengoba kwakuvalwe yonke into. Le mali isibe khona iminyaka emithathu. Ethula inkulumo namhlanje ungqongqoshe wezemali uthe ingu 34 billion imali eyabelwe lesi sikhwama ngonyaka olandelayo.
34 billion is allocated to extend the COVID-19 social relief of distress grant by another year. Over the medium term, a provisional allocation is retained while a comprehensive review of the entire social grant is finalized.
Ingu 370 million imali eyabelwe omasipala ukuthi balungise ingqalasizinda eyakhahlanyezwa izikhukhula. Isikweletu se-Eskom komasipala siyaqhubeka nokwenza ukuthi kube nzima ukuxazulula inkinga yokucisha konga ugesi. Ungqongqoshe uthe omasipala sebengakwazi ukufaka isicelo sokucishelwa isikweletu se-Eskom iminyaka emithathu, kodwa ke uthi lokhu kuzoba nemigomo nemibandela.
Abamasipala, for them to qualify, funeka benze i-prepaid meters, so that moving forward akho muntu ungabhataliyo. Umasipala uyabhatala, nabahlali bayabhatala.
Ungqongqoshe uthe imali esetshenziswa uhulumeni iphezulu kakhulu kunemali engenayo. Uthi lokhu kungaholela ekutheni uhulumeni ugcine usuboleka enye futhi imali engu 553 billion randi ngonyaka ukukhokhela izindleko zakhe. Amanye amaqembu ombusazwe asichithile lesabelo mali.
The national government, the national treasury is failing, one, to grow the economy, two, to maximally and optimally collect revenue from the normal sources of revenue collection. And we're in a crisis that is going to deepen because we do not have leadership that is decisive in the economy of South Africa.
As the IFP, there is nothing to celebrate. The future of our country is not looking good. As the minister actually said that the debt is too high, remains too high.
Well, the minister and his government called us here in order to tell us that the country is broke and they do not have a plan of action of how to resolve that.